If you are thinking about getting DataCamp Premium subscription, then this is the best time because right now you can get up to 50% discount in DataCamp Premium subscription because DataCamp Black Friday Sale 2025 is live now. So you will get access to all the 600 plus courses, certifications, everything for 50% discounted price. So let me show you how you can get that. I have given you an exclusive offer page link in description. Click on it and come to this page where you can claim your 50% discount for DataCamp Premium. So if you see here, the original cost for DataCamp 1 year premium subscription is $330, but right now you can get it for just $165. So just click on the link in description, come to this page, click on buy now and get DataCamp Premium subscription at 50% discounted rate. And DataCamp Premium subscription price is different in different regions. So to check the offer price in your region, just click on the link in description and see it. If you are in India, 1 year DataCamp Premium subscription is 13,300, but right now you can get it for 6,650 rupees. So I hope you find this DataCamp 50% offer sale very useful. I have given you all the links in description. Do check it out.